I'm from Tanzania, in East Africa. Currently, in Tanzania, we are going through a very historical transformation in agriculture industry. So there have been a lot of initiatives to promote agriculture, and we believe with the partnership of LOVOL, we will be able to reach our goal.
Событие. Спасибо руководству компании LOVOL за то, что пригласили нас сегодня на церемонию открытия завода. Мы гордимся тем, что мы часть семьи, часть огромного корпоративного управления компании LOVOL. Для нас LOVOL не просто технологический партнер, для нас это семья. И вместе мы производим лучшую продукцию. LOVOL в Казахстане самый продаваемый трактор. И мы будем делать все возможное, чтобы дальше продолжалось так. LOVOL the best.
I think this is a very important milestone of LOVOL, not only in the local market as well as the international market. I think it's very impressive, and I feel being touched. And I feel I'm lucky that we choose the right partners.
There's a lot of new equipment, so I'm very impressed. We are cooperating with LOVOL for lots of years. It's the 5th year now, and we are very interested in high power horse tractors, as you can see here on the conveyor. Well, I would say now the situation rapidly changes. Our customers are looking for Chinese tractors, different kind of implements, different kind of vehicles, and we can value it as a quite high-level machinery.
这次来了以后呢，我们感觉，比如现在的LOVOL的中国的这个产品呢，可以跟世界评论。